How you going? I'm Jonty Smith from Allways Hire. Part of my role is going out around the country showing customers our range of master equipment, and that includes our water trailer you can see in the back there, and a range of water carts, some of our master tractors and sweepers, and I go showing basically anyone that needs a water trailer really. So we turned up on site today and we had a block culvert and a drain that needed to be clearing. So after a quick work with the 2-ton digger, we had the drain clear, and we got the trailer in place, got the drain rat on the end of the hose. We basically got the hose up there working out, and we had no issues, and we basically as you pull it back it clears itself out, and pretty much it was a pretty straightforward job. Clearing out drains is really important for farmers and anyone with block culverts. Large volumes of rain, like the recent weather events we've had, the drains get blocked and overflow, causing big washouts. Maintenance and repair bills for this increases tenfold. Culverts are largely found on in rural roads and farms, and like dairy farms we have here. Councils have to maintain them as well as part of their contracts. So in our fleet we've got the 2,000 litre water trailer, which has got its water blaster that can perform as a drain cleaner. If you're thinking to clean your drain, then any time throughout the year is a good time. Before winter ideally, that way you're, with these large weather events you don't get caught out. Regularly doing it stops them from building up and compacting, and roots from getting in there and causing big issues. So this trailer we've put together is a unique piece of kit. It's got everything that a civil or maintenance crew needs. It's got the low pressure pump, which has got a washdown hose and a dust suppression unit, nozzle, and then it's also got a high pressure water blaster system that is 3,500 psi, 30 litres a minute, and that can work as a high performance water blaster or really good at clearing small culverts up to 300 mil. The thing with this, it's really easy to get on site and get it working. You can literally pull out the hose, electric start on the Honda motor we've got on there, and you turn on the water, you're good to go. You don't have to have large amount of trucks and licenses. You tow it behind your ute or your maintenance vehicle, you're on site and ready to go quickly. So I've been out around the country talking to lots of different customers that have used this machine, and they've all been saying the same thing. This trailer is highly effective and very efficient. So if you're a civil company, a contractor, a farmer, or someone that just likes a good bit of kit, I would recommend definitely looking at hiring it. There is a super versatile, hardy machine. So if you're wanting to hire this machine, receive a demo, or just find out more about this trailer, reach out to me on my number 021 537 460 or jonty@allwayshire.co.nz. I'm keen to meet up with you. Look forward to hearing from you.